Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com and ElectronicLessons.com. Just wanted to show off one of our new power supply units. This bad boy is a beef bus. You need at least 10 volts DC to 15 volts DC max at the input, and your output can be varied between 0.9 volts and 12 volts DC by tuning this onboard 10-turn potentiometer. You can fine-tune the output. There's an on-off switch right here. When it's turned right, labeled on, ironically the output is disabled. When I turn it to the left, to the 1 position, the right LED turns on, and that tells me that the output is enabled. Now the power LED, is labeled power on the left here, turns on as soon as you apply power to the board, 10 to 15 volts DC. And the OK LED, it's labeled OK on the board, only lights up when you have enabled the output. So, as long as you keep the difference between the input and the output voltage between, say, 5 volts, you should be able to source up to about 8 amps of current. If you have, say, 15 volts on the input and 2 volts tuned at the output, you won't be able to source the maximum 8 amps. And that's common along all step-down converters. If the difference between the input and output voltage is too high, you won't be able to source max current, but you'll still be able to source quite a bit. Anyway, there's 4 mounting holes. Actually, there are terminal blocks on the bottom, so you can mount it to your project. And yeah, very easy to use. Each terminal block at the input is labeled in plus, in minus, out plus, out minus. And so the top 2 terminal blocks on the left here are your positive DC inputs. You have two holes for an option. You can add a battery backup if you want. There's 2 ground pins for in minus, 2 input ground pins. Those pins are also connected internally to the out minus pins. Those are all ground pins. And the top right 2 pins are your positive output pins. And there's 2 there in case you wanted to load, say, more than 1 circuit. It just gives you some options. It's a really neat module, easy to use, and comes ready for you right out of the package when it's shipped to you. Anyway, so this will be up at EngineeringShock.com and ElectronicLessons.com soon. Check us out. I'll be putting it up on my eBay store right after this video is done. So thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.